Next on Done on a Weekend projects, learn to mow like a pro by following these lawn striping basics.
If you're a homeowner who already has a nice lawn, but you're looking to take its appearance up the next level, lawn striping is a surefire way of making that happen. In today's Done on a Weekend project, I'm honored to be joined by Brian Latimer. Not only is Brian an expert in the landscaping industry and one of Exmark's lawn and garden influencers, he also happens to be a top professional bass angler on the FLW Tour. And today he's going to walk us through the finer points of lawn striping so that you too can mow like a pro. Hey Brian, welcome. Thanks for being here. Hey, can you explain to our viewers exactly what lawn striping is and how it's accomplished?
Sure, and thanks for having me here today. Well, if you want to get that nice professional crisp look to your lawn and level it up a notch, the way to get there is striping. I'm going to show you how to use your mowing equipment to get there today. It's very simple. All we're doing with our striping equipment is making our grass lay down two different ways, and it makes our lawn look really nice and intentional.
Well, thanks for that explanation, Brian. It was really helpful. And I'm sure a number of our viewers had no idea it was such a simple, straightforward concept. But I do have a question. Is it true that in order to stripe your lawn, you need some sort of special striping kit?
No, you definitely don't have to have a special striping kit to get a nice, crisp lawn, but it does help, and the mower that we're going to use today does have one. However, you can stripe your lawn no matter if you have a 21-inch walk-behind lawnmower or if you have a 60-inch piece of equipment like we're using here today.
And what about grasses? Are there some grasses that are better to stripe than others?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's typically the wider blade grasses. Kentucky bluegrass, fescues, they definitely stripe a lot easier, and just in general, they're much easier to mow. Now, some of the grasses that we mow a lot closer, centipede grass, Bermuda grass, in general, they're going to be tougher to mow, and they don't show the stripe quite as well. So in those grasses, I tend to lean more to using a striping kit with those lower mowing grasses.
Thanks to our friends at Exmark, we have their top-of-the-line 60-inch Laser Z X Series mower with us today, outfitted with one of the striping kits that they manufacture. All right, Brian, you ready to show us how it's done?
Let's get it done.
All right, man. Man, Brian, this lawn looks amazing. Thanks so much for showing us how it's done. Well, we hope this video has helped you better understand the finer points of lawn striping and hope that you can take this technique to put to use in your own backyard. As always, please visit us at exmark.com/backyard for more Done on a Weekend project ideas. Until next time, I hope you can get outside to beautify your lawn and the rest of your outdoor spaces. Take care.